Hi, this is June from Turning Point Life Investment, and this is your stock market analysis for May 26, 2012. Okay, looking at the S&P 500 here. So the market seems to be trying to build some kind of a base of support. We got two rather strong rebounds off of this 130 area. Once this past Monday, and then here on this past Wednesday. So you can see two strong rebounds, but unfortunately we haven't had a whole lot of follow through with those rebounds. Okay, so as you can see, even though we got that good bounce, there's no continuation from that bounce. So there's a little bit of a resistance right around there, the current highs of 133. Now, if there's more upside to this market, if let's say we get some strong rebound from that, I would say about 134 is probably your next level of target. It's not exactly that far away from where we are right now. That's usually the first retest. And anytime a stock, or in this case the market, has broken its moving averages, it tends to come back and retest those moving averages as resistance. So, I would say this 20-day moving average would probably be your first line of the retest. And then the second one, if there's more upside, is probably around this 136, which is where that 50-day moving average is currently lies. So a couple of level of resistance right there, but overall I say this whole area is some pretty strong resistance. Okay, so you have that whole zone of resistance right there. And I think if the market can clear that level, we can probably see some greener pastures. But I think once it can get past this big barrier, then that's good for the market. Okay, so just keep a watch to see how the prices behave around this area. But on the other side, on the other hand, if we don't get any rebound anytime soon, okay, the market can easily roll over and form a new low, because you can kind of see it's forming some kind of a small flag, small triangle right there. So either way, I think if we don't get any more upside, if the buyers don't come in right now, the market can easily just fall under its own weight, okay, and probably make a new low from that point. So we'll see what happens.